guys, it's Louise here from Crazy Borgies. I hope you're all well. I'm fine on this beautiful August day. So I am pre-recording this video, so hopefully this one will go up on Monday. Okay, so first and foremost, if I could ask you, if you have not done so already, to please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, follow me on TikTok and Instagram, Crazy Borgies Diamond Art, and hit that little notification bell which will notify you of my future video uploads. Okay, so this is part 2 of my haul from Diychoose. Yes. So obviously you saw part 1 last week and this is part 2. Okay, and huge thank you to them for gifting me these products, and I will link everything you see in today's video in the video description box, along with any discount codes I have and along with a link to their store so you can have a little bit of a window shop. Okay, so let's get started. So I have, actually they're all 4 products to show you and they're all off canvases. Okay, so I am gonna show you first my lovely I bet you can't guess what these are, guys. Yes you can, of course you can. So they are the monthly hanging wall plaques, or wall pendants even. So I've got a real thing about these at the moment, and I just think they're great fun to do. So this one, I'm pleased to say, comes with its chain, its hanging chain. It's the loop chain. I'm not going to get it out because you've seen the chain 100,000,000 times on my channel, and the 2 little links there. So standard kit, which is your green boat, your pink pen, your little bit of wax, which is in there as well. Okay, there we go. Feeling slightly under the weather this morning because of what happened with this apple cider vinegar stuff I took. Oh, if you haven't seen my video, go and have a look, because it's still the same day as I'm recording this and it's made me feel absolutely awful, guys, that stuff. Right, so this one is April. Oh, isn't that cute? Look at that. And this one has a frosted backing on there as well. Yeah, lovely. Let's get my tape measure because we know they're all different sizes. Let's have a look. So this one's measuring in at 26.5 centimetres by 8.5. Okay, so yes, there we go. Lovely spring theme for this one. Let's just check the adhesive. Yeah, very good. We've got a few daffodils there, I think, or buttercups, as Diamond Grandma calls them. A little bit of an odour, but not too strong. Not too strong. But yes, we've got some gorgeous butterflies and lots of spring type flowers. Lovely. So I think they're meant to be tulips and daffodils. It's very cute, very cute. Drill area is nice and clear. And these come with a mixture of special shapes and crystal rhinestones. And I just think these are great fun to do, guys. Absolutely great fun to do. I really enjoy doing mine. So I can see there are some little scratches there. Is that on the front? No, that's not a scratch. Ignore what I just said. I thought it was, but it's not. But yes, lovely, 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 lovely. I love these little things. They are so, so cute and are going to look absolutely wonderful when they're all completed. Let's have a look at the diamonds that come with this lovely wall pendant. This one is variant because they come in different variations, obviously. MT20. I'm going to put all the codes down below anyway. So this one has, let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different shapes and crystals on this one. So let's have a look. So we have a clear small marquee there with the AB coating, the Aurora Borealis extra coating. It's iridescent coating to give off a Northern Lights effect there. And you can see as I'm turning all the different rainbow lights coming out there when the sun hits it. Gorgeous. Okay, so we have a normal size crystal rhinestone in a light orangey browny colour. I'm just going to go for amber for that one. Okay, and then we've got a marquee purple in the small size. There we go. We've got red marquees mixed up with some pink teardrops there. I think the red marquees have come over from this bag. Yes, there we go. It's a small red marquee there. Some champagne coloured teardrops again. Yes, lovely. Normal yellow crystal rhinestone. An AB white. Blue. A light aqua blue there. An emerald green. A red. Another amber colour there. And a small bag, a small scattering of clear. Lovely. I mean, they look like clear, but they also, no, I think they are clear. It's just the blue behind it's making it look like it's blue, but they are clear. Yes. Right, okay. Let me put this one away and we'll move on to the next product, guys. Hold on a second. Okay, so the next one now. Okay. Standard kit once again with our chain and our little hanging hook rings there. Okay. There we go. And this one is lovely January. Yes. Something to cheer us up in that horrible January month. Isn't it? The January blues. That's it. The January blues. Yes. Okay. So we've got Mr. Gnome there with lots of snowflakes floating around. Yes. Give this one a little measure. Okay. I think these are great if you've got kiddies in the house. There we go. Yes. Okay. 28.5 centimetres this one is. Okay. And I'm going to say at its highest point would be about 8.5. Yeah, they all tend to be about 8.5. Yeah. So 28.5 by 8.5. There we go. Centimetres that is. But it's gorgeous. You will hear some background noise, guys, because obviously kiddies, that's all I'm saying. Okay. So this one doesn't have the frosted backing. Okay, I do think it's got a little crack there as well actually, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's happened there. Maybe, I don't know. I think I'm going to have a look at this one in a minute when I take it off. Because I've just noticed a little crack. You see it there? I'm not sure if that's actually on the, if it's cracked or not. Let's have a look. No. Whoops, I just put my fingerprint there across it though. Let's see. I mean, it does feel a bit weak, but I don't know if they've glued it back together or it's just cracked a little bit. But I mean, I'm not overly bothered because I haven't paid for this one. So, whoops. So it doesn't bother me. And also with the shipping as well, you know, they come in these tiny thin little bags. It's just not easy to make sure that... Ooh, little bit of a odour on the glue, but not too bad. Yeah, when they come from China, it's not easy to always guarantee, you know, that they're not going to have some war wounds from the postal service, let's just say that. Okay, so I forgot to say on the other one it's all alphabetical and numerical symbols as well as this one. Let's have a look at the diamonds. I'm still feeling queasy, guys, so whew, just bear with me. Okay, this one has, let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different colours and shapes. Yes, lovely. Okay, let's have a look at these gorgeous diamonds. So we've got the beautiful light blue pearl teardrops with the AB coating on there. You can really see it. Lovely. Hang on a second. We've got some light blue, I'm going to say medium marquees. We've got some small clear marquees again with the AB coating. We've got a medium sized light blue rhinestone there. Okay, we've got an amber, some clear, some blue again, another blue, and then an AB coated clear. Wow, lovely, lovely jubbly. You can really see those rainbow colours coming out there now with that AB coating. Lovely. Okay, so number one, where would number one go? So number one, the AB clear is going around the snow along the bottom here. Let me just zoom you out. Around the bottom and in the snowflakes is where the clear AB is going. And then number two, January, is going to be outlined in blue. Yeah, lovely. I think that's going to be gorgeous, that one. Not usually a fan of blue, but I think this one's going to be quite nice. So let me just put this away. Hold on, I'm going to pause you a second, guys. Right, last one now of the months. I think, have I got them all, or is there more to come? I don't know. We'll soon find out, guys. We'll soon find out. So standard kit again with your chain. Okay. And I have spoken to them about March because it was missing the chain, wasn't it? See, the problem is we have a little bit of a language barrier, but I think they kind of understand that the chain is missing, and I think their plan is to send me the chain out, but I'll just have to wait and see when it arrives. Okay guys, so I'll let you know as and when I receive that. So this is February. Oh, it's so red and gorgeous, vibrant. I love it. Red is my favourite colour. I don't know if I've told you before, guys, but probably about 101 times. Right, February. That is just gorgeous. I love that. That is stunning. Brilliant. And we do have a slight frosted covering at the back again. Lovely. Let me give this one a little measure. So this one is, let's have a look. Is it all about that size? About 28. Well, yeah, give or take. Might be a bit smaller than that, actually, yeah. I'm going to say 27.5, actually. Yeah. Okay, by 8.5, 8 point. I'm gonna go with 8.3, 8.2, 8.3 centimeters, something like that. But yes, this one is gorgeous. I think this one might be my favourite, guys, just purely because red is my favourite colour. Lovely. All symbols alphabetical and numerical once again. Let me give it a quick smell test here. If I can just grab. If it'll let me grab it. Come on. Where are you? Oh, honestly, why can I never pull it? There. Hang on a second, guys. Let me just... It's coming. Yeah, so after my little problem with the apple cider vinegar this morning, it's making me feel like I don't want to really eat anything now. But my stomach is hungry, obviously. I just don't know what to do. I'm going to have to eat something because it's now nearly 2 o'clock. Okay, let's just... Yeah, lovely. They always put a good layer of adhesive on this. It is everywhere though. So even though we're not diamond painting around this section in between, it is there as well. But I always recommend sealing everything you diamond paint anyway, because... to get the longevity of the product as well, and you know, also just to make sure your diamonds don't move around really. But yeah, it's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. My tummy is grumbling at me, I tell ya. Let me give this a smell test. Hang on a second. Slight odour, not too bad, not too bad. Yeah, okay. There we go. So yeah, that's February and I'm loving the love hearts. Yes, I love it. Absolutely adorable. Okay, let's have a look at diamonds. Okay, hang on a second, guys. Okay. So I think you can tell the predominant colour on this one is going to be red, obviously. And this one has 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colours on this one in different shapes. Let's start off with the specials. So we have a medium red rhinestone there. We have a small red marquee. A clear love heart there with a little pink, hot pink love heart there. We have a hot pink love heart. Some beautiful yellow flowers, lovely. Some amber in the normal rhinestone. Like a hot pinkish sort of colour. I'm going to go for magenta with that one. Magenta. Okay, guys, magenta. We have an AB white, a red, and some clear. Yes. Lovely. Lovely. Right. Hold on a second. I'm going to put this one away. And then I'll do my last product. Just got one more product to show you guys. Hang on a second. Okay, last product now, guys. Let's see if I can just get into this lovely item. Oh, there we go. Comes in one of those padded bags, which I wish they would send all the acrylic items in these bags. So there we go. So you've guessed it, it's another hanging pendant, wall pendant with the chain. There we go. Put that to one side. A crystal rhinestone and special shape. There, we'll have a look at those in a minute. Standard toolkit once again. And it has a frosted backing. And I am pretty sure, whoops, I think it goes that way round, that you've seen this one already. But I'd already ordered this one when Sweet Tea unboxed hers. So I was like, oh, it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous, guys. I love it. Look at that. Hopefully I'm going to see some of them where I'm going tomorrow. Or today even. Yes. So we've got the bucket and spade. We've got some seashells looming around. Some stones. Lovely seagull. The sand. The beach. And a little lighthouse. And house there in the distance. It's gorgeous, isn't it? Just screams out the beach. Yes, and we've got 2 holes there to hang the chain from. And it's a full diamond painting, this one. The only thing you don't diamond paint is the eye. But you could, if you wanted to, just get a black dot. I'm sure there must be some black. Yeah, there is some 310 in here. So you could just stick one on the eye if you wanted. Yeah, let's give it a quick measure. I love this one, I really do. And for those of you who haven't subscribed to Sweet Tea, please do, because she's coming up to 1,000 subscribers now. So huge, well earned congratulations to her, because she's worked so hard on her channel, bless her. Even on days where she's not well, she always uploads brilliant content. And yeah, I think she started to do a bit of floss tube now as well, which I'm pleased for her as well, because it's always good to try and variate our content as well. So this one's measuring in at 25, I'm going to say 26, guys, 26 centimetres by 20. yeah, so please go over, check out Sweet Tea, check out her lovely videos. She's obsessed with cats. And I love her to bits. She's a really good friend of mine. So tell her I sent you, and yeah, I'm sure she'll make you all feel more than welcome on her channel. Okay, so let's have a look at these gorgeous, let's zoom up and see the clear drill area. So all the symbols look like they're gonna be numerical and alphabetical. Yeah, nice clear print there as well on the drill area, which is always good, always good. Right, just having a look at the diamonds now. Let's just move that to one side. GH008. Okay, usually the code is gonna be written, there we go, on the baggie. So put a little sticker here. This is the code here, GH008, which links up to the item to the bags, the drill bags. Okay guys, so let me just have a look here. I have 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 different colours and crystals and shapes on this one. Okay, so we have the clear starburst snowflake ones again. I don't even know what they're called, but they've got like little stars in the middle. Bless them. Lovely. Okay, we've got a dome, medium sized in green. We've got a lovely white pearl teardrop, little bit of an AB coating ever so slightly on there. Okay, and then we've got a champagne teardrop there. Hang on a second guys. So there we go, we've got some stars, lovely golden yellow stars. We've got some golden yellow rhinestone, bag of clear. We've got some red, some blue, another yellow, golden yellow rhinestone, bag of 310 black there, some lime green, some more blue, and then some aqua blue. Lovely. Okay guys, I'm just going to hop off onto the website and get the prices for you, and then we will do the summary of the video. So hold on a second. Okay guys, right, I've been on the website and I have the prices as of today, which is Friday the 18th. Yes, the 18th of August. I should know that. But obviously you're seeing this in advance. This has been pre-recorded in advance, so prices may vary, okay? But this is just to give you a rough idea. They may go up and down though. Okay, so at the present moment on the website, these... You finished, Ria? Yeah, you finished? Okay. So the monthly wall pendants are on the website for £6.4p, and in dollars $7.69. Okay, and they're each. Okay, and then for the gorgeous seaside wall pendant, which is really nice size actually, is on the website for $9.29 and £7.30. Okay, so there you go. I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing guys, and I hope you have a blessed remainder of your Monday. And please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, follow me on TikTok and Instagram on Crazy Porgy's Diamond Art, and hit that little notification bell which will notify you my future video uploads. Take care, God bless, and I'll speak to you all soon. Thanks for watching guys. Bye for now. God bless you all. Bye.